Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical turntable, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Turntable, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best turntable from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Audio-Technica Fully Automatic Wireless Belt Drive Turntable. The Audio-Technica Fully Automatic Wireless Belt Drive Turntable is the perfect blend of high-fidelity sound and modern technology. With Bluetooth wireless connectivity, it allows you to stream your vinyl collection to Bluetooth speakers or other devices. The turntable features a redesigned tonearm base and headshell, improving tracking and reducing resonance for a clearer, more accurate sound. It operates fully automatically, offering 2 speeds, 33 and 45 RPM, for versatile listening. The anti-resonance die-cast aluminum platter enhances stability and minimizes unwanted vibrations. With compatibility for the aptX codec, you'll enjoy superior audio quality with minimal latency. The turntable comes with a detachable RCA output cable, a 45 RPM adapter, and a removable hinged dust cover for added convenience and protection. Whether you're a vinyl enthusiast or just getting started, this turntable delivers exceptional performance and sound clarity. Upgrade your listening experience with the Audio-Technica ATLP60 TBK turntable today. Number 2. Fluance RT85 turntable with Ortofon Cartridge Acrylic Platter. Speed control and vibration isolation. The Fluance RT85 turntable offers an unparalleled vinyl listening experience, with pure analog performance that brings your music to life with beautiful warmth and natural sound. It features the highly regarded Ortofon 2M Blue elliptical cartridge, providing superior musical accuracy with improved linearity, higher channel separation, and reduced distortion. The high-density acrylic platter enhances sound quality by damping unwanted vibrations, resulting in tighter bass, a fuller mid-range, and overall improved clarity. With speed control for precision playback and an isolated motor to reduce noise, this turntable ensures a consistent and accurate listening experience. The solid MDF wood plinth is not only aesthetically pleasing with its walnut finish, but also engineered for superior resonance damping and isolation from micro-vibration. The RT85 comes with a dust cover, bubble level, counterweight, and all necessary accessories for setup. Perfect for audiophiles looking to elevate their vinyl collection, the Fluance RT85 delivers exceptional performance and clarity. Number 3. SeeYing Record Player Vinyl Bluetooth Turntable with 36-watt stereo bookshelf speakers. The SeeYing Record Player Vinyl Bluetooth Turntable offers a modern twist on classic vinyl listening with versatile features and high-quality sound. Equipped with 36-watt stereo bookshelf speakers, this turntable delivers well-balanced studio-quality audio with powerful bass and minimal distortion. The anti-slip mat and iron platter reduce vibrations, ensuring stable rotation and improved sound clarity. Featuring a moving magnet cartridge, adjustable counterweight, and static balanced tonearm, it guarantees precise tracking and enhanced performance. Bluetooth streaming capabilities allow you to connect wirelessly to smartphones, tablets, and other compatible devices, while the USB to PC encoding function lets you convert vinyl records into MP3 digital files. The built-in preamp and switchable phono line output offer flexibility, enabling connection to the included speakers or an external stereo system. With vintage aesthetics, the SeeYing turntable combines modern convenience with a touch of nostalgia, making it a perfect choice for vinyl lovers looking to upgrade their audio experience. Number 4. Citroen Peron Record Player Vintage Turntable for vinyl records with built-in speakers. The Citroen Peron Record Player Vintage Turntable is a stylish and functional addition to any music lover's collection. With the ability to play 7-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch vinyl records at both 33 and 45 RPM speeds, this turntable provides a full range of listening options. The built-in Bluetooth receiver allows for wireless streaming from your favorite devices like smartphones, tablets, and PCs, while the RCA output lets you connect to external speakers. The AT3600 Magnetime cartridge, paired with an adjustable counterweight and anti-skating system, ensures smooth, stylus movement and reduces distortion for authentic sound reproduction. Ideal for beginners, this all-in-one record player combines a turntable, built-in speakers, and a preamp for easy use. With its vintage walnut design, the Peron record player adds a retro touch to any room. It's a perfect gift for vinyl enthusiasts and anyone who appreciates a classic, timeless aesthetic. Number 5. Victrola Nostalgic 6-in-1 Bluetooth record player and multimedia center with built-in speakers. The Victrola Nostalgic 6-in-1 Bluetooth record player and multimedia center is the perfect blend of vintage charm and modern technology. This versatile entertainment center lets you enjoy your favorite music in multiple formats, including vinyl records, CDs, cassettes, AM or FM radio, or wirelessly stream from your smartphone via Bluetooth. The 3-speed belt-driven turntable 33, 45, and 78 RPM offers premium sound quality with minimal vibrations, making it an ideal choice for any vinyl lover. With expanded connectivity options, you can connect external speakers or an amplifier through the RCA outputs, or enjoy personal listening through the headphone jack. The stylish mahogany-engineered wood case and classic controls, including a CD tray, cassette eject, and AM or FM tuner, add a touch of nostalgia to your space. Whether you're new to vinyl or a vintage enthusiast, the Victrola 6-in-1 is a great addition to your home, providing both style and convenience in one sleek package. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.